Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the Millennium Cricket League, F40 League Division B clash, the stage was set for a showdown. Here at the Verdant pitch, Super Giants flexed their muscle against the tenacious Columbia CC.
And what a stage it was, Isha. Under the bright lights, the Giants looked to cast a long shadow, while Columbia CC sought to shine. A classic tale of might and strategy was about to unfold.
Acknowledgement to our gracious event advertisers whose support added that extra zest to today's thrilling contest.
A big shout out to DifGen Pharmaceuticals, crafting medical marvels with the precision of a perfect yoga. And Faith Home Healthcare, strategizing health victories as if scripting a century stand.
The Giants rumbled their way to a sturdy total despite Columbia CC's sharp attack. Extras were the silent ally in this tussle, adding heft to the Giants' scoreboard. The Columbia CC bowlers left an impact, but the Giants roared loud.
Columbia CC's bowlers threw in twists and turns, but the Giants' resilience was the glue to their score, even as wickets tumbled. The first innings set the tone, a potboiler of grit and grind, with Columbia chasing a challenging target.
Abdullah and Srinath wove a crucial seam of runs, patching together the innings' top partnership to bolster the Giants' posture.
Columbia CC, led by Aditya's cunning seam and Precious Guile, responded with wickets at regular intervals, tightening the screws on the Giants' advance.
Columbia CC's chase fluctuated like a pendulum, with brief sparks of partnership overshadowed by a disciplined Giants bowling brigade.
The Giants bowlers, especially Kalyan's incisive strikes and Darshil's economical spell, stitched a web around Columbia batters, leaving no room to escape.
Srinath Amin's bat spoke with a steady dialect, while Aditya Shinoy's bowling carved through the Giants' surface. Kalyan delivered the knockout blows that tilted scales.
Srinath's anchoring knock, Aditya's triple strike, and Kalyan's triumphant haul were the brushstrokes that painted today's canvas of victory and defeat.
The Giants emerged victorious by a margin of 31 runs, a testament to their tactical acuity and bowling finesse that clinched the day.
A hearty pat for the Giants, standing tall amidst trials. For Columbia CC, a result that will sting but also teach. Today's clash was a gripping narrative of cricketing prowess and strategic depth, leaving us pondering the what-ifs and if-onlys.
As the dust settles, the Giants march forward, carrying momentum into their upcoming battles. Today, cricket was the true victor.